To set up mobile hotspot in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter mobile network and click on the personal hotspot right here. After that, you'll be able to enable or disable your hotspot, and then we can go to hotspot settings to perform a setup. You can change the name for your hotspot right here. It will change on how everybody else will be able to see it in their Wi-Fi list. You can change the password for your hotspot. It needs to have at least 8 digits, or if you click on security, you can change to none to disable the password. If you want the password, make sure you have one of those WPA profiles. After that, we can change the AP band to 2.4G or 5G. Difference is 2.4G is more compatible, more devices will be able to connect with your hotspot, but it's a bit slower than 5G. 5G offers a faster speed of your network, but at the same time it will be less compatible with other devices. So if somebody has a problem connecting with your hotspot, make sure that you switch to 2.4. Then there's the option to hide your hotspot. That means somebody else will need to connect with it manually. And last thing is to use Wi-Fi 6. Again, it's the same story as with AP band. You can enable it to gain more speed for your hotspot, but at the same time it will be less compatible with other devices. Some of them will be able to connect, but some of them won't. So you can either enable or disable it. Then make sure to save your settings, and here there's the last two options. We have connection management. When you enter it, you can check all of the devices that are currently connected to your hotspot. You can add them to the blacklist or remove them from the blacklist. You can go to device connection limit and change how many devices are able to connect with your hotspot at the same time, and change the data usage limit for all of those devices as well. Then there's the automatically turn off personal hotspot. Now, if there's no devices connected to your hotspot for more than 10 minutes, your hotspot will shut down automatically. So that is all of the personal hotspot options. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.